Is Uber denying allegations of surge theft? Find out in today's video. Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the #1 rideshare channel on the internet. Yes, I said that. Convince me otherwise. My name is Dylan. Welcome back to another show. Yes, this is a TV show now on YouTube, hosted on the Rideshare Hub. So if you like this channel, give this video a huge thumbs up. If you watch any of my videos, thumbs up. If you drive for Uber or Lyft, even if you just breathe oxygen, smash the thumbs up button. All right guys, so I don't know if you saw my last video, but basically this company called Jalopniks, they created this. It says, yeah, by the way guys, I'm in my car. I'm homeless right now. I don't have a place to live, so I'm just sleeping in here. We think Uber and Lyft new surge fares screw drivers and riders. Help us prove it. Yeah, so basically they're asking drivers to submit their earnings. How can I get rid of this reflection? There we go. Uber now, how its surge pricing works. So basically, I can't show that too much because it's just reflecting back to me. But basically this company called Jalopniks, they ran a study. They took 175 earnings screenshots and did a study, and they actually saw that Uber takes around 50% of people's earnings. They published it and they submitted it to Uber, and then Uber actually responded saying that that's actually not a fair representation. 175, you know, there's millions of rides done, blah, blah, blah. 175 is not a fair number. And then Jalopnik says, well, are you stealing fares from drivers? You know, it shouldn't be that high. And then Uber actually, here, we can go through it right here. Let me see, it says, yeah, here we go. Oh, somebody almost got into a car crash there. See that guy's backing up. He almost hit that car. Be careful out there, guys. Let's see here. So they said 47-53 split is not simply representative, but Uber okay, and then they said Uber is right that 175 is not a meaning sample, but Uber refused to make anyone from the company available for an interview to discuss in detail how the new surge pricing works, share any raw fare data with Jalopnik, or provide any further information on the company's take rate beyond what it discloses to regulators, which indicates a take rate closer to 20%. That's why we're launching fares.jalopnik.com. We want to learn more about how Uber and Lyft is taking fares. So you can submit your earnings here. Anonymously submit information about recent fares, including how much the rider paid, how much the driver got paid, and how much the company pocketed. Then we will use that information. So they could actually create this huge study showing how much Uber is actually taking. I mean, isn't that kind of concerning that Uber refused to talk about how their new surge pricing works? Don't get me wrong, I love Uber. I love making extra cash driving for Uber, but do find that a little interesting. Little sus, if you will. Little suspect. Little dodgy, if you will. Little weird, if you will. Whatever you will. But yeah, guys, so I just wanted to share that update with you guys, and you know, maybe we can all submit our earnings to this company, jalopnik.fares.com, or no, fares.jalopnik.com. I'll leave a link in the description, and we can really get to the bottom of how much, because I actually don't technically know. I mean, it does change a lot, and I actually, you know, let me see if I can pull this up on my phone. I actually had a ride the other day. I'm gonna make a whole video on this, but Uber actually loses money on some rides. It's like Uber makes money on some. Yeah, look at this right here. If you can you show this? Yeah, so I was driving and look at this. Maybe I can just put it right here really quick so I can talk about it. But you got, like, the rider paid $11. Uber received $0. The service fee $0. They actually lost money on the service. They made money on the booking fee, but in total they lost $2.71, and the rider paid $11. So I thought that was pretty interesting. And then a lot of times Uber takes a lot, sometimes Uber takes a little bit. It's like all over the place, and I don't really understand how surge pricing works. Like, sometimes it's just a surge price for the rider and not surge for the driver. Sometimes it's just surge for the driver, not surge for the rider, and then Uber loses. I don't really know, so maybe this study will actually, you know, shed some light on if they can really get maybe like 10,000 of you guys can submit your earnings, Jalopnik can really show what, you know, what the price is. So that would be interesting. But yeah, I just thought it was kind of weird that they declined to share their the surge pricing model with Jalopnik. Maybe they're just busy that day. I don't know. I'm just speculating, making an assumption, which usually isn't very good, because I actually didn't reach out to Uber myself. Maybe I should. Then if they denied, then I could, you know, they say they denied me. But I'm just speculating here based on what this article from jalopnik.com. Anyways, guys, you guys are the best. Get out there, make some money, or don't, you know. Do whatever you want. I'm not gonna stop you. And if you just like to watch rideshare news and information, thanks for watching. Really do appreciate all my subscribers who are not drivers, who just like to listen and watch me talk about rideshare news and tips and tricks, all that stuff. All right, guys, thank you so much. I will talk to y'all soon. I am a little tired, you know, and this is my house for now, so good night, guys. I will talk to you all in the morning. Later.